Let's tour this incredible 5-bed, 4-bath, 5,700 square foot home in Riverton, Utah. This home is about 10 years old, but a lot of the design features, like these real hardwood floors, are timeless, and so I feel like it would be really easy to update to your own liking. The office is right to the right as soon as you walk in the door. It is not very private though, so that is probably something that would be bothersome if you worked from home and needed some privacy. There are huge vaulted ceilings in this house and massive windows as well that show off the Cottonwood Mountains on the other side of the valley. So the views in this home are to die for. This kitchen is very white, but it is very functional, and I think it would be really easy to update and warm it up with just some new furnishings. I love this little family room off to the right here, and it looks down onto the backyard, which has this amazing pool, which we will be looking at in a little bit. I also love this dining nook that looks out onto the deck. The deck on this house is huge. I can only imagine how fun it would be to have a bunch of furniture out there as well as a table you could have all of your meals outside in the summer. This house in general is a great entertaining space. There is a large 3-car garage with plenty of storage space in this house as well as this pantry. Love to see that. And then right off the side of the pantry is the sport court. Like I said, this house has a ton of entertaining space and would be so fun with kids, but you would have to remove that BYU sticker from the wall. Go Utes. Right off at the sport court, straight is the garage, left is this little half bath, and I think that is always good to have for that main floor entertaining purposes. Moving into the master, this is one of the favorite ones I've seen as I've toured, not necessarily because of the design details, but because of how it is laid out. So the bedroom itself is a good size, bathroom is huge, and then there is this little room off to the side. There is a washer and dryer hookup to the left. So you could use this for an exercise room, extra closet, and you could also use it for a baby room as well, so that you wouldn't have to go so far when you had a newborn. So a nice tub, huge shower, and then there's a him and her closet or combined, however you wanted to work it. There's just tons of storage space in this house, and I think that this master is probably the perfect size. If you live in the Salt Lake Valley, it is really hard to get a home, especially on the east side of the freeway, that has a master bedroom with a true master suite and master bathroom. So this is something that is unique to the west side where Riverton is. And then you still get these beautiful views of the mountain. And this backyard is honestly the selling point of the home to me. Okay, as we cruise on down the stairs, this is where all of the remaining bedrooms are. Off to the right there, I didn't video it, but there's a huge like dry cellar storage closet down there, so tons of storage space. This is kind of an extra little room. I believe it could be a bedroom. And then you have this huge entertainment area down here with big old screen, and there is ground level floor access to that sport court. I just picture a ton of kids playing here with all of their friends. And then there's this bathroom that bonus has a sauna in it. That's amazing, as well as a shower. And that door goes out to the pool area. So this truly is a kid's dream when it comes to being able to have all their friends over in the summer and play with their friends. So then you have another nice sized table, which is directly under the breakfast nook. You could play games here. It goes out into the pool area underneath the deck. So you could probably hang some fun swings from that area as well that all the kids would play on. And then if you go to the right of that hallway, down here is where the additional main bedrooms are. And they are a good size, actually. This is a pretty large home. And it doesn't feel like you're in a dungeon type basement because you are definitely just on the ground level floor. So those 2 first bedrooms would need to go through the family room to the other bathroom. And then this is a Jack and Jill type situation with the bathroom connecting these 2 rooms. And this was a really nice bathroom as well with a double vanity, double sink. And this one even has a huge closet, which I thought was awesome. So the best part of the home, though, because it was winter and we had to take our shoes off outside, we didn't get to walk outside. Here are a couple pictures of the backyard. There is tons of space with the basketball court, the pool, there's a putting green, and the amazing part is no one will ever build to the side or behind. This is a nature preserve area, so you will only ever have your neighbors to the right of you. That alone makes this home worth the price to me, which is at $1.99 million. Thanks, guys.